on to our next candidate, and this time she is from Aboba Lipata, Baby J Nunez Amor, candidate number 8. Hi.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, candidate number 8. You are actually at the middle. So, you are at the first half and you're also at the second half dahil number 8 ka nga. And usually 8 is a symbol of infinity and prosperity. Naniniwala ka ba doon?
Hindi ko alam, malaman na lang siguro yan. Siguro.
Ano na lang pinapaniwalaan mo sa buhay?
Trust the process na lang.
Just the process na. Kinakabahan ka ba?
50-50 na.
Parang delikado na yan. 50-50. Bakit naman 50-50?
Sa'yo yung 50, sa akin yung 50.
Ready ka ba tonight? Nag-prepare ka?
No choice, ready.
Para na tayo magka-chat, no?
Tagal mo nga mag-reply eh.
Galingan mo, ha? Sagot ka ng sagot.
Okay, turuan mo ako.
Sige. Parang dapat ikaw talaga ang Miss Personality. Nanalo ka na ba ng award tonight?
Wala pa, baka mamaya pa.
Love it! Confident. Anong gusto mo palalulang award?
Ano ibigay mo sa akin?
Kumain ka ba bago ang competition?
Wala.
Kaya pala.
Di ba sabay tayo, walang kain?
Kakain tayo mamaya. Anong paborito mong pagkain?
Ano paborito mo?
Paano tayo nagde-date dito sa stage? Ano paborito mo? Ako, mahilig ako sa sinigang.
Sige, ako din.
Kung ano, baka kung ano pa masabi natin, please pick your question here. 90 seconds para makasagot. So make sure that you make use of the time. Ready ka na?
No choice nga ni.
No choice nga
Sorry,
ni.
ready.
Okay. No choice. Sure ka na dito?
Nabunot ko na eh.
Pwede mong palitan kung gusto mo. Gusto mong palitan?
Kain ka muna.
Batayan ka muna. Alright. O dahil no choice ka na, ito ang tanong mo. Candidate number 8. La English. What responsibility comes with wearing the crown of between ng taytay? Again, what responsibility comes with wearing the crown of between ng taytay?
The responsibility comes with wearing the crown of bituin and taytay. It's a good inspiration to everyone. And I'm contribute and I will create a project. I will create a project. It would be a sustainable tourism because I want to help and protect our environment while also promoting our local people like small businesses and communities. Because for me, tourism should not always bring an income but also take care of our nature and culture of Bagong Taytay. Thank you.
Taray! Galing mo dun. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Ang saya niya, no? Now,